What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an awesome DIY desk because if you can see behind me, this is the office space that we are renovating, and nothing is more important in an office space than your desk. So we have a really cool project coming up. Check it out. All right, so the desk is going to go along this entire wall. So we'll measure this wall first. And we have 89 inches. We have 89 inches for the width. So we're going to do 89 inches across this way. The desk is going to be right underneath the window. And it'll be 24 inches deep, which is the perfect size for this space. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to head out to the shop and we're going to get the base to our form set up. Here we go, guys. All right, everybody, now that we got our sheet measured to 24 inches, we got our piece of particle board measured 24 inches. We're going to take our circular saw and we're going to rip this sheet down to give ourselves a base for our desk. The reason why I'm using particle board is because I had it left over in the shop from another project, which you can see. I will link it up here. I used it because I have it left over. Don't have to go to the store and buy anything. So what I'm going to do is rip it down here, rip it down to width, rip it down to depth, and then I'll rip it across, I'll cross cut it to width right after this. Check it. And that's how you do it. All right, guys, and now that we have the base to our desk made, I wanted to show you kind of my idea that I had for our desk. And it's a little abstract, so I drew it out on some graph paper so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. I have some reclaimed lumber that I got at a estate sale. And we're gonna cut these up and lay them down on the board in kind of like a geometric design. I'll show you. So here's the sketch that I made here, and so we'll have some boards going across in all different angles, but these three diamonds, I'm going to fill those three diamonds with white pearl epoxy. I think it's going to look really pretty, and we're going to stain the boards and kind of fade them into the white. So it's going to go from dark to light colored, and then to the epoxy pearl. So hopefully it looks really good. I'm excited. Here we go. Okay, guys, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mark my center of this board so I can work off of that. So it looks like we are about 88 7/8. So we're going to go 44 7/16. Let's go up here. 44 7/16. Okay, there's my center line. And I'm going to take my boards and I'm going to start working off from here. So if you see, I got one coming here, another one coming here from the bottom towards almost the middle, and from the top, 2/3 down, from the bottom 2/3 up. Alright guys, so we got the first piece laid in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut some more pieces and start stacking them on. As you can see, got this piece here. So now we need to do this piece. That way we can build off of those. Start working our way up. Man, this is getting confusing already. Whew. Wish me luck. All right, guys, we are done finally putting all those pieces together on our desktop. Let me show you what it looks like. As you can see, you got 1, 2, 3 diamonds. We got 3 diamonds, and the cool part about these diamonds is we're gonna fill them up with some white pearl epoxy. It's gonna look so sweet. And then we're gonna build some borders around this, some edges around this, this table, and we're gonna fill it with epoxy so it's smooth across the top, because I want the uneven look, but I don't want the uneven surface. You feel me? Look how sweet it looks. So cool. All right, for this video though, that is a wrap. I will see you on the next one. Guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell for notifications. And last but not least, if you like this video, share it with a friend. Guys, we're done in here for today. And I guess look out for part 2 of the computer desk build. It's gonna be awesome. Thanks for hanging out with us. That wasp scared me. Thanks for hanging out with us.